Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I see some temperatures rising this morning into the upper 30s after a cold overnight low of 23 degrees. I see temperatures today in the mid 40s for highs as we see an area high pressure sliding off the coast. We'll have an upper level disturbance and area low pressure moving through the region for tomorrow. That's going to give us a chance at some rain showers, possibly ending as a little bit of wet snow, and rain mixed by the end of the event during Friday evening. But overall, looking like a good day today with more unsettled conditions tomorrow, especially by the evening hours with some winds picking up and colder air moving into the region. Our sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at the surface. Winds are out of the southwest to west-southwest, and low levels around 15 knots. And seeing our winds pick up and turn mainly out of the west and up to 88 knots out of the west at 20,000 feet. That is the peak wind this morning on the sounding. Looking at our current surface analysis, we do have area high pressure off the coast, and that's going to allow us to see that bit of a warming trend today, more towards seasonal averages after a cold Wednesday. We do see an area of low pressure, with some snowfall across the Ohio Valley. It's going to be moving towards our region for tomorrow. That's going to give us a possibility of some rain showers through the morning and the afternoon hours, and then slight chance we see some wet snow mixing in for the evening hours, as well as seeing some colder air filter in the region with an Arctic front moving through for overnight Friday into Saturday. And with that Arctic boundary, could see another snow shower move through. We'll see some very cold temperatures for the weekend with an Arctic air mass in place. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we have lots of clouds across the Ohio Valley and the Tennessee Valley. That's going to be moving into the region today with primarily the upper and mid-level cloudiness building into the region. And we'll see some lower clouds around 3,000 to 4,000 feet by tomorrow morning. And taking a look at the European model for the next 2 days, you can see here that system developing in the Ohio Valley and then off the coast for tomorrow morning, giving us a chance of some rain showers tomorrow morning, and then possibly ending as some mixed rain and wet snow at the end of the system on Friday evening. As for areas north and west of Wallops, could see a light accumulation possible. Some of the model trends are showing a little bit colder air moving into the central Delmarva for the day tomorrow, but overall surface temperatures look to be just a little bit too warm to see much accumulation, especially towards Salisbury. Areas that saw more accumulation with the last event, primarily north and west of Cambridge up into Easton and Dover, possibly could see a light accumulation with this system for Friday. As we move into the weekend, as I mentioned, seeing those very cold temperatures. Temperatures on Saturday won't get above freezing. Seeing highs in the lower 30s. We'll see this upper level trough moving through the region, so could see a brief flurry or light snow shower from time to time, especially south of Wallops, associated with any bay effect snow showers we see across the region, but not going to see any accumulation with that, just some light snow in the air from time to time possible on Saturday afternoon. And move into our day on Sunday. High pressure builds in the region. Another cold day across the region. Highs on Sunday will be in the lower to mid 30s across the area. And then on Monday, we'll see a cold start to the day, but a warming trend across the region for Monday. We'll see a system starting to move into the southern plain states and then moving towards the southeast for Tuesday into Wednesday. And that's going to give us a chance of some rainfall by Wednesday with much warmer conditions by the middle of next week, possibly seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 50s by the middle of next week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high today at 44, low tonight of 35, seeing southwesterly winds turning southerly around 7 to 12 knots today, and then northeasterly winds 3 to 6 knots tomorrow morning. We'll have a slight chance of some sprinkles or light rain showers moving through after 4 local on Friday. As far as our terminal forecast goes, going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. As I mentioned, we'll see some ceilings lower down to possibly as low as 3,000 feet, mainly around 4 to 6,000 feet by Friday at 8 local. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking at Friday into Saturday, Friday cloudy. Good chance of some light rain showers, possibly mixed with wet snow by evening, and be breezy by evening as well. Not expecting any snow accumulation here at Wallops, a high of 43 degrees. For Friday night, mostly cloudy, breezy, and colder. Slight chance of a flurry or light snow shower. We'll have wind chill values near 10 degrees by dawn, a low of 23 degrees. And for Saturday, mostly cloudy, breezy, and cold. Very slight chance of a flurry. We'll see wind chill values between 10 and 20 degrees with a high of only 30 degrees. So the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures in the 40s for today, tomorrow, and then temperatures falling fairly quickly by late Friday afternoon and evening. We'll see that high of only 30 on Saturday, 34 on Sunday, 44 on Monday, and then starting to warming trend, 49 on Tuesday, and then 56 on Wednesday. And could see temperatures a little bit warmer, 56 on Wednesday, if we do see a little bit less cloud cover than the models are putting out right now. But overall, we'll have this Arctic air mass moving in for the weekend, and then we'll see a big warm-up across the region, as it looks like, by the middle of next week, with some rain possible by Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.